Good evening, ma'am. I'm Cindy Manampat from BSBA 1, and here is a chapter 3, Philippine History Spaces for Conflict and Controversies. Making sense of the past. Historical interpretation. History is a study of past, but more contemporary definition is centered on how it impacts the present through the consequence. Geoffrey Baraclough defined history as attempt to discover the basis fragmentary evidences, the significant things about the past. He also noted history we read through based in the past is strictly speaking not factual of all but series of accepted judgments such as judgment of historian to how past should be seen make the foundation of historical interpretation. Geoffrey Baraclough, the attempt to discover the basis fragmentary evidence, the significant things about the past, the history we read through based on the facts, strictly speaking, not factual at all but serious accepted judgment. Datu Bendihara Kalansiaw, third chief of Panay, first Filipino lawgiver, the Code of Kalansiaw is a mythical legal code in the epic history Maragtas. Before it was revealed as a hoax, it was source of pride of the people of Aklan. In fact, the historical maker was installed in the town of Batan, Aklan, 1966. Don Marcelino Orilla, de Zaragoza, Spain. He obtained the original manuscript from an old chief of Panay, which was later translated into Spanish by Rafael. The Code of Kalansiaw is a mythical legal code in the epic history Maragtas. The Gomzurba, collected name of three martyrs friars, Mariano Gomez, Jose Burgos, Jacinto Zamora, who tags mastermind of Cavite Mutiny. They were prominent Filipino friars charged with treason and sedition in the belief of the Spanish clergy connected to prior to the mutiny as part of conspiracy to the movement of circular friars who desire to have their own panishes. Rizal connection to the Katipunan. Undeniable organization of La Liga Filipina. Rizal founded with Andres Bonifacio, one of its members, but the La Liga Filipina were short-lived as the Spaniard Rizal to Dapitan. Former members decided to base together, establish the Katipunan, and few days after Rizal exiled on July 7, 1892. Rizal may not been officially part of Katipunan, but the Katipuneros showed great appreciation of work toward the name of the goals. Case number 1. Where did the Catholic Mass happen? The popularity knowing where the first happened in history has based on a way in trivialized history, but this case study will not focus on the significance or lack of therefore of the site of the first Catholic Mass in the Philippines, but rather this it was histographical exercises in the evidence of interpretation in reading historical event. Butuan has been believed as the site of first mass. Case number 2. What happened in Cavite Mutiny? The year of 1872 is a historic year of two events of Cavite Mutiny and the martyrdom of the three friars Mariano Gomez, Jose Burgos, and Jacinto Zamora, later on immortalized the Gombursa. Their events are very important milestone of the Philippine history and have caused of ripples throughout time, directly influencing the decisive events of the Philippines Revolution toward the end of century. Case number 3. Did Rizal act? Did Rizal act? Jose Rizal is identified as a hero of the revolution of this writing that center of ending colonialism, the liberating Philippine minds to contribute to creating the Filipino nation. The great volume of Rizal life work was committed to the end of particularly the more influential comes No Limit Tangere and El Filibusterismo. His essays verify not the Catholic region but the former the main agents to introduce in the Philippine society.